Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing wonderful in your lives. And this is your general love reading for sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign for Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. You can leave it out. Okay. And gender you can apply according to your situation. Okay, Aquarius. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you like my video, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything, if you want to know anything. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. And I'm shuffling my cards and I'm getting your cards here. Let's see what are the energies for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages? Okay, 3 cards today. The cards are falling out very fast. So let's see what is the energy. Let me get all the cards for you, then I will let you know what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from all over the world. Okay, beautiful energy, Aquarius. Okay, what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having the Star. This is you, Aquarius. The Star card, new hopes and desires. Okay, this is you. Okay. Let me see any other message you want me to deliver. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from all over the world. This King of Pentacles comes in every reading if you have looked at my videos before, then you can have a look on it. Okay, so that's it, Aquarius. So right now, Aquarius, I can tell you out. Let me clarify. Let me see. Let me adjust the cards for you. Something is okay. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Okay, so yeah, I was going through your reading, I was going through the cards, and I get to know from your reading, from your cards, that Aquarius, you are holding back with this Four of Pentacles. You are holding back the situation. You are holding so tight. Can you see this man who is trying to balance, who's trying to hold on to their pentacles? I see this as love because I'm doing your love reading. So you're trying to hold your love relationship so tight towards your heart. You're trying so hard to balance the situation, to save the relationship, but this relationship will not save, Aquarius, because this effort is coming from one side, Aquarius, and that's the judgment here. That, see, judgment is there. So yeah, some judgment is going to happen in your life, and you are right now, some of you are feeling like Five of Cups energy. You are more focusing on these 3 fallen cups. okay? But don't focus on these three fallen cups. Just look at the back, Aquarius. These two cups are waiting for you, okay? So next card is also Four of Cup. See, these two energies, someone wants to offer you, can you see? Someone wants to offer you a cup of emotions. Cup resembles emotions basically, Aquarius. So yeah, someone wants to offer their cup to you, but you are more focusing on these three fallen cups, Aquarius. You are not focusing on these two cups which are there for you, which are waiting for you, Aquarius. So don't focus on those toxic negative energies, okay? The person you are dealing with, okay? So don't focus on these fallen cups, Aquarius. Don't focus on these fallen cups. I know you are trying so hard. 0555 was the time, okay? Recording time was okay. So yeah, you are trying a lot in this situation, in this love relationship. You're trying to save this relationship, but it's not going to save. You are thinking that this is the end of your life, but this is not the end of your life, Aquarius, because these two cups are waiting for you at the back, and you see these two cups are there. So yeah, but you have to decide, you have to shift your energy, Aquarius, because there is some King of Cups here, and this person is from your past with the Six of Cups. This King of Cup is an emotional person, emotional energy, who is full of emotions, Aquarius. They want to offer their emotions to you, the emotion cups to you, Aquarius. They want to offer you this emotion cups, this cup which you were trying to get from another person. I think that this person is this King of Pentacles. This is the person you are dealing with. There is two energies here. There is King of Cups and King of Pentacles. See, these two energies are there. There is two persons you are dealing. This is the new person, new love coming your way, okay? They want to offer you a cup, but you are not ready to accept this cup right now. Can you see? This was before this. They want to offer you, the cup is being offered you by this King of Cup, but you are not ready to accept this because you are more focusing on the fallen cups. With this Five of Cups, you are more focusing on the things, the bad things which has happened in your life. You are more focusing on this, but don't focus on this fallen cups, Aquarius. Two cups are waiting for you at the back. Focus on the positive. You just have to move forward, Aquarius. This person, this King of Pentacles, is the another energy, and you are expecting this. I think this is your person which you were dealing in the past, okay? Which were the things were not happen properly, with things were not good at with this person. This is some narcissist energy, I'm getting it. Bad energy, Aquarius. Very bad energy, very heavy energy, I can say. Very heavy energy. I can feel it right now. It's like very heavy on my chest too. I can feel that. But don't worry, Aquarius. You need to focus on ahead in your life, Aquarius. You don't have to be sorrow, grief, guilty, okay, Aquarius, in life, because nothing has happened, nothing bad is happening. If this person doesn't want to continue with you, just throw them out, because someone is waiting for you who is same as you, okay, Aquarius, and they see you as Empress. See, next card is Empress. So they see you as Empress, Aquarius. Can you see this person? They are this King of Cups is looking towards you as Empress. They know your worth. They know that you deserve this love, and they want to offer their cup to you. And this person is coming from your past. Six of Cups. You both know each other from the past, Aquarius, okay? You have known this person from your past, and they want to offer you a cup full of emotions, okay, which you were expecting from somewhere else. And the energy is rushing towards you with this Knight of Swords. This energy is rushing towards you. This King of Cups is rushing towards you. Can you see Knight of Swords? Air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. So they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They are rushing towards you to offer you a cup, but right now you are not ready to accept this cup because you are more focusing on those energies which are fallen cups. You are more focusing on sorrow, grief, guilt, things which were not good in the past, which were, bad things happen in life, but you don't have to more focus on that, Aquarius. You have to focus on the other side of the coin, I can say that, Aquarius. You need to focus on positive side of the chapter. And can you see this in these two energy also? I can say there are three cups waiting for you in this card, and there is two cup here. So yeah, Aquarius person is waiting for you. You are having options in your life, or you will soon get to meet this new person, this king of cups. Okay, if you have not met yet, so once you will get out of this energy, this person is going to enter in your life with this king of cups. This person is an emotional person who has full of emotions, who knows the value of emotions. Okay, Aquarius. And this person, king of pentacles, can you see the difference? This person is only know the value of money, material things. Okay, Aquarius. This person cannot give you emotions fulfillment, I can say. Okay, emotional fulfillment, you are expecting this from this person, and this person cannot give you that because he is not having it. Okay, he can only help you out in financial terms, because money is important in this life, in this person's life. Okay, but in this case, this new person, this is your past person which you were dealing with, and this is your new person which is coming your way, who wants to offer you all cups to you, Aquarius. But you need to get ready, and they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They're rushing towards you. Okay, they want to give you all the happiness, love, all emotions which you deserve, Aquarius. Okay, and they see you as empress, a motherly figure. Okay, authoritative figure, caring, nurturing. They see you as empress, queen in their life. Okay, so you will get victory, Aquarius. You're getting victory with the Six of Wands, and that's why the last card is Justice. Justice is the card. So yeah, this was the last card. So justice is being served in your case, Aquarius. The karma which you are getting your good karma, Aquarius, back, because you have not done anything bad in this relationship, with this past person relationship. That's why you are getting good karma in your favor. You are getting victory with the Six of Wands. You will get victory whatever you're getting it. Right now you're keeping your patience, or you need to keep your patience, Aquarius. Some of you are dealing with Sagittarius with this Temperance card, but here signs are not mentioned, as I never mention signs in my readings, because signs can be any sign can be available in your chart. Okay, so yeah, you are keeping your patience. Okay, Aquarius, or you need to keep your patience. Right now you're defensive, very defensive, Aquarius. You are keeping a guards up with this 1313 was your the time, recording time. Seven of Wands, this is the next card. You are getting very defensive, Aquarius. You are keeping yourself guarded. Okay, I know this energy was not good. The person you are dealing with was not at all good with you. They have done something very bad. You have done with your you have gone through a lot of ups and downs in your life, in your situation, but nothing to worry about it, Aquarius. Nothing to worry about it, because I'm also having Queen of Cups. See, next card is Queen of Cups, and there is King of Cups. So this is the match, Aquarius. This is the pair, this is the couple, this is the soulmate who is going to enter in your life. This is you rising as Queen of Cups. You want to offer your cup full of emotions. You want someone who can understand the emotions, the love, the feeling, the value of a person as a soul. You want to offer your cup. Okay, so you want to offer your cup, but you're keeping your strength. And this combination, can you see this combination? You are dealing with a person who is this right now, or in the past you are dealing with a person who was King of Pentacles and you were the Queen of Cups, Aquarius. You were offering your cup full of emotions to this person, but this person can only give you this pentacle, this money. Okay, financial, maybe this person is helping you on financial terms. Okay, but this person can only offer you money, stability. Okay, not stability, but I can say in financial terms. Okay, Aquarius, this person can only offer you money, nothing other than that. But can you see this energy? This is your new energy, Aquarius. So this person wants to offer you a cup full of emotions. So you need to more focus on ahead, on going, in a forward direction. You don't need to focus on those cups which were followed out. And this was the card which was following, which fallen out while shuffling my cards. This is two of cup energy, Aquarius. So yeah, you are soon going to meet your soulmate, Aquarius, if you have not met yet. Okay, 1 minute, I need to turn my AC off. Just a second. So yeah, if you have not met Aquarius, this is the soulmate card for me. Two of cups, equal amount of give and take. Lovers card, soulmate card. And this, can you see this energy? I can tell you like this. See, this cup, you both as a soul, as a person, you are on a same page, Aquarius. Okay, you both are carrying cups with your hand. These king and queen are having cups in their hands. Cup resembles emotions, Aquarius. So yeah, you are now going to deal with this king of cups. Now you have to decide what you want, and you already are deciding it, Aquarius, because next card is strength card. Either you are dealing with Leo, but again I'm going to say this, that I don't mention signs here. You can deal with any of the signs. Okay, so yeah, you're keeping your strength. You are getting up again. You are getting your confidence back, and you are taking a decision while moving out, living out a person in a situation. You are walking away from this five of pentacles energy. This is you, Aquarius. You are moving away from a person. Okay, you are leaving this person behind, because you are leaving this person behind. This person, this king of pentacles, you're leaving this situation, the person behind, and you are taking a decision, and that's very good, Aquarius. You are moving ahead. Can you see this person moving ahead? So very good, Aquarius, because you want to achieve this 10 of pentacles with this person, Aquarius. Okay, you tried a lot, you put a lot of work with this person. This 10 of cups, abundant, happy family, abundant in everything, love, money, career, everything, abundance in every corner of your life. You were trying to gain this 10 of pentacles with this king of pentacles, but you get to know that you are not going to achieve it. That's why you are leaving the situation. You are leaving this person behind, and that's very good decision. I can tell you out, Aquarius. Yeah, so yeah, you're leaving behind this king of pentacles behind. Okay, if you have not taken the decision yet, soon you are going to take this decision. But because you will get to know that this person is not your match, Aquarius. This person doesn't deserve you at all. Okay, I can tell you this very clearly. So yeah, then there is four of wands. I can tell you out there is four of wands, two of cups. Some of you, Aquarius, right now are single and happy and abundant. Now you're feeling single, happy, abundant after leaving this person behind, after leaving out this situation behind. Okay, you are single in your own terms, you're abundant in your old terms, happy. Okay, free spirit, I can say. Nine of pentacles, you are very happy as a single. You want, and that's very good decision, Aquarius, because relationship, if you are in a relationship in which you are not happy at all, in which there is no equal amount of give and take, if there is a narcissist, toxic energy around you, it's better to be alone. It's better to be single, Aquarius. Not alone, it's better to be single. Okay, wait for the person, wait for your perfect match till the perfect match is coming for you. Okay, and it's coming, Aquarius, because next card is justice. Some of you are dealing with Libra. Okay, so yeah, justice is being served in your case, Aquarius. Justice and judgment is both there. Either you are giving a judgment, to this person that you don't want to continue and you are leaving this person behind, or you are taking a judgment for yourself and you are leaving this person behind. Okay, you're taking a decision that you need to leave this situation as soon as possible if you have not left yet. Okay, justice is being served in your case, and then once you leave this situation, once you leave this toxic person behind, then you will get your Two of Cups. Okay, then only you can achieve this Two of Cups, Aquarius. Okay, right now some of you Aquarius are single, okay, happy, abundant, okay, and that's very good, Aquarius. There is no harm in being single, okay. So I was having the Knight of Pentacles. See, this person may be moving towards you in a slow pace, at a slow pace. This is the slowest energy in the tarot deck, but it's good, Aquarius, it's good. Wow, see what I'm having. Star, the Star card, new hopes, new desires. This person will give you new hopes, new desire in your life, Aquarius. This is very good energy, very very good energy, Aquarius. I can say you that. Okay, I can say you that this person is very good. Yeah, after that you will move to a calmer place. See, very nice, very nice, very nice, Aquarius. Wow, 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 wow. I don't read reversals actually. That I want to tell you one thing. So yeah, Aquarius, see, right now you're feeling like an hangman. You are in a situation where you're feeling like an hangman, and then I'm having High Priestess. So you are using your intuitions, okay, you are guided by your intuitions. If you do not know your quality, Aquarius, I'm going to tell you that you are born intuitive. Use your intuitions, use your conscious mind, use your intuitive part of yourself, of your soul, Aquarius. You are born with intuitions, Aquarius, okay. Yeah, there were some conflicts around you in the past with this Five of Swords. There were some conflicts, but with the Wheel of Fortune, there are so many major arcanas on the tarot right now, on the deck, that you are getting options in your life. Seven of Cups, can you see? Some of you dealing with Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Okay, so you are having options now in your life. Okay, and see the Sun card, the brightest card, the big card in the happy card in the tarot. The Sun is the new beginning in life, Aquarius. New beginning in love, new beginning in 2222. Okay, that was the recording time while I was recording it. So yeah, the Sun card, the new beginning in love, new beginning in career, new beginning is new chapter is coming towards you. Very 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 positive energy, Aquarius. So you need to move, you want, because you want to move to a calmer places, can you see? And you are moving it, and you are moving towards the calmer places with the Six of Swords. You are moving towards the calmer places with the Six of Swords energy. This person, you must be feeling that this person is not moving towards you. This energy is very loyal energy, Aquarius. This person is very slow maybe, okay, but don't worry about it. They are moving towards you, okay, they are moving towards you, and they will give you new hopes and new desires, okay. So that's the energy for you, Aquarius. You have to leave this situation, leave this person behind, okay, and don't focus on these three fallen cups. Again, I'm telling you, don't focus, don't be in this energy, okay. Don't feel grief, guilt, sorrow, bad, okay, sad. Don't feel that energy. You have not done anything bad, Aquarius, okay. No, you have not done anything bad. You were trying so hard to keep this relationship. I know this, I can tell you out from these cards. You were trying, you have already given all the efforts, all the things which you can do, okay, in this relationship, but you were not able to save this relationship. You were not able to change this relationship. Why? I can tell you why you cannot be able to change this person, because this person only can help you out in money. This person only can this person has a focus on money, okay, not on love, okay. So you are expecting love from a person who is not having, okay, who's not having love. So you need to leave this situation as soon as possible, okay, Aquarius. Once you're going to leave this situation, the person, the soulmate of you is waiting for you, okay, Aquarius. They want to offer you this cup, they are ready to offer you this cup, but you are not ready to accept this cup right now. But don't worry, Aquarius, they see you as, they see your worth, Aquarius. They see you as Empress. Can you see this person, how they see you, and this person is from your past. Okay, oh sorry, this person is from your past. Okay, 6 of cup energy. Okay, this person is from your past, and they see you as something. They see your worth. They value you, Aquarius. They value you as a human, as a soul, Aquarius. They know that you deserve to be treated like a queen. You deserve to be treated like a empress. They see you as a motherly figure, nurturing, caring figure. They know your worth, Aquarius. But this person, this is not your combination at all, at all, at all. They don't deserve you, Aquarius. You need to leave this situation. Rest is your decision. I'm no one to decide that, but I can tell you out that you are getting very major arcanas in your reading. Okay, Aquarius, can you see these cards? Sun card is there, star card is there, and wheel of fortune is there. Okay, it's going to turn around in your favor. It's turning around in your favor because you are getting, this is the good karma. Okay, this is wheel of fortune is turning in your favor because you're getting these two cards. Okay, you're getting new hopes, new desires, new love in your life because you deserve it, Aquarius. My magical beings, you deserve it. And you're getting the sun, new beginning in your life, in your love life. So keep moving ahead, Aquarius. Don't follow, don't focus, don't follow this toxic energy or relationship which you were going through. Don't be in this energy. Okay, you need to get out of this energy as soon as possible. Okay, and you are getting out. I know from the reading you are getting out, and you are taking a judgment. You are getting on a decision that you do not have to continue with this relationship with this person. Now that was a reading for you, Aquarius. Let's add some animal spirit. And one more thing, I'm going to make 3-4 more videos in which I'm going to tell you the more messages which I will get from the universe. So let's see. Let's add one animal spirit card for you, Aquarius. I love my decks. Thank you so much, universe, God, guides, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Thank you so much for giving the best messages for Aquarius all over the world. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, again I'm getting the message that don't focus on fallen cups, Aquarius. Something very beautiful is waiting for you. Okay, and you are, once you are taking a decision, you are taking time to take a decision, Aquarius. You're keeping temperance, you're keeping patience while making a decision because you don't want to lose that person. But that person is not your match, Aquarius. They don't deserve you at all. Okay, so you need to move forward. Okay, some soulmate, your soulmate is waiting for you. Okay, who you both will be on the same page. Okay, let's see what is your animal spirit card for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Okay, this fall out. Spider spirit. Make your dreams real, Aquarius. Yeah, correct. Make your dreams real. Okay, you need to focus on positive things. Okay, don't go in the energy of 5 of cups. Okay, Aquarius, let's see any other. Okay, I got these 3. Oh, so many spirits cards. Okay, so yeah, first is horse spirit. Freedom is yours, Aquarius. That's what I was telling you. This King of Pentacles energy is something narcissist energy, and now you're feeling freedom, and freedom is your birthright, Aquarius. Okay, now the freedom is yours with this horse spirit. Then parrot spirit is there. Watch your words, Aquarius. Some of you have to watch your words. You don't use harsh words. 2929 is the timing, recording timing. Okay, don't use harsh words to anyone, Aquarius. Just leave them on their karma, that God will take care of them. I can tell you that. Okay, you don't have to take any harsh decisions or harsh words towards that person or someone else. You need to watch your words. eagle spirit has your back. Yes, exactly, that's what I am telling you, Aquarius. You are born intuitive, you are born guided by God, angels. Trust universe, they are going to give you back whatever someone has taken away from you. You are soon getting back those things in your life, Aquarius. Believe, beaver spirit, lay a solid foundation, right? Agree. If you are going to be in a new relationship, just make your foundation very strong, Aquarius. Okay, make a, lay a solid foundation. Okay, that's very important message for you. So these were the animal spirits messages. Thank you so much, animal spirits guides, for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. I am getting more messages for you, so I am going to do some bonus love readings for you, in which I am going to tell you, okay, more bonus messages. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything, Aquarius. Okay, one more time, I'm getting again and again this message for you, that you do not have to be in this energy. Okay, get out as soon as possible from this energy. Don't focus on these three fallen cups. Okay, you have to get out of this energy, and some of you are already getting it out, already getting out of this energy. But those who are not getting out of this energy, you need to get out of this energy as soon as possible, Aquarius. So yeah, see you soon, Aquarius, in my bonus love reading, and which I'm going to tell you lots of messages, because I'm getting lots of messages for you. Okay, till then, take care, Aquarius. See you soon.